Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit face gems on the Facetune application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So just open a project and new, just go to the lower bar and tap to the makeup option next to the hairstyles. Here, click to the face gems option, and here you can find different options. New, if you want to set one, just click that, and if you want to set the strength of that, just click to the white icon and you can pile on the line so you can edit the strength of that. And if you finish, click to the OK button at the lower right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.